Hi, it's Juris and welcome to the 2 Shop Talk, and today we will keep on unboxing things that we got sent from Barber DTS, and this is the second part from this box because it's just the first part made sense that way. Bishop one liner and the battery from them. Boom. And we proceeding, and we have here another version of universal battery from Critical. This one is with RCA as the packaging indicates. Nice little thingy where to catch it and open it up. Padding on top, which is nice. There's a product code with QR number. I will not show you that because I don't know if it's important. And then there is little information about product. There's QR code to the instruction video. Universal battery, crisp OLED display, precise voltage output, tactile buttons. Tactile buttons. Ergonomic design. Precise voltage, low battery indicated, output indicated, temperature protection, critical core, smart and accurate. Yeah, USB-C charge. Switch it on, holding on for 3 seconds. Select desired voltage with plus minus. Start device. Power button 1 time. Stop device. Click power button 1 time. Turn device off by holding power button for 3 seconds. Charging OLED. How to pair. And it can be paired with something, so that's the interesting part. From what I understand, you can connect 4 of these things to one foot switch. So as you guess, there should be more stuff in the box. USB-C cable coming with it. Nah, it's nice and smooth. Got it. So in comparison to old battery, this one says critical connect, some sort of serial number at the bottom. Then we have another one of these things. So note that there is this thingy on the side with which you open it, and if somebody shoved it in other way around, you have to do this. So don't forget which way you put it in. I'm confused now. Same story here, same papers, little info sheets. Tell me more, tell me more. This is smaller one. What's the capacity? Look at this. This is cute. There's also cable, obviously. This moment. Boom. Safe, safe, safe. Oh, nice. So look at this. These are both called Connect. This one is 1.5 ounce and this is 2 ounce. So this is 25% lighter and smaller. And you can see the buttons go also a bit different. On a bigger one there's a separate on-off button and up and down buttons, and on this one they are sort of integrated in one sort of unit. You can feel the on-off button is bigger, and I feel nice and tactile, and it is an ergonomic design, so they did not lie. Again, if we have a knife guy who wants a shout out on channel, wants to send me a cool knife to unpack these things, go for it. Address is in the video description. Wireless Connect FS Critical. Boom. Neatly packed with the sticker. Stickers are always nice and always welcome. Info sheet, video tutorial, and there's a QR code. So there's instructions how to connect the batteries, how to change batteries, how to connect these things, and I think these usually come with batteries in there. So as a pedal itself, I work with this type and it's really nice. It's pretty sensitive, and you can clip a clip cord in here if a need be. Boom. Boom. There are batteries in here, so we just pull this thing out to activate it. Now we have to figure out how to connect all this stuff. Press. Probably switch it on. No. No juice. Okay. Empty. Well, at least this thing is blinking like crazy. I'll charge up batteries and we will finish this thing tomorrow. How to switch pedal off? Oh, pedal hopefully switches off on its own. I wanted to play with it. Dang. Let's pick up where we stopped. So now batteries are charged, and I completely forgot to mention charging dock is exactly the same thing. So if you have old one, you don't need a new one. If you want an extra one, why not? Because it's super comfortable to use and it has all those magnetic options. Yeah, it fits in a USB-C charger here at the back and has its awesome magnetic properties. Boom, sticks to metal surfaces very well. Now let's keep on playing with batteries. Let's connect them to the pedal and they show a bit different how full they are. There's numbers on the side of a screen. On the old one it was sort of like a battery symbol. On a bigger one, run and stop button is there and it makes a beep when you press it. On a smaller unit it's just here in the middle, also makes a beeping noise, and the dot blinks, then it indicates that it's running. That would be running. Also that beeping sound, when it gets close to being empty battery, it starts to beep. And the downside, what I noticed, they were drained completely. They had no juice in them at all. I was charging them and for around first 20 minutes, every now and then you would hear that beep, because it probably still tries to tell you, even though I'm charging, I'm still pretty empty. So that was a bit like weird, because you're like, hey, I'm short of this, leave me alone. So let's connect to the pedal. Hold plus and minus buttons for 3 seconds to enter Bluetooth mode with the battery pack. So let's start with the bigger one. Plus and minus together. Did I do it? Yeah, a Bluetooth symbol appears. And I tap on the thing, press plus. It shows a little C in the corner, which I guess means C symbol will be visible on home screen when battery is paired with foot switch. Ah, okay. So now on a small one, plus and minus together, 3 seconds, yeah, plus, and it says you can connect multiple, but I doesn't want to connect to another one. Okay, I'll switch this one off. And it connected to this one. So what if you want to connect multiple, make sure that the one that's already connected is off. The power, like sort of on off button, and plus is to toggle in between modes. So either you hold pedal or you just tap it and it's running. Okay, now I have both on. It's either connected to one or another. So now it's connected to this one, the smaller one. Now it's on the setting where I hold it and it's running. It appears to be with the kickstart. And I press center button and plus. It doesn't say anything about kickstart, but it seems like it has a kickstart from get-go, because when I push it, okay, and you can hear it's on the kickstart. Let's try to switch it to other mode. So it did a beep. There's nothing have changed on the screen. And now it's on this tappy mode where you just tap it and it runs. So this is something that I would probably use the most. And this pedal is nice size as a previous one. It has this non-slippery bottom, but what I do, I put a machine bag over it. At this point it doesn't matter if it's on the floor or somewhere on your station or nearby, because you can just work it, or if you're more like an elbow person, you can do that stuff, or if it's on the floor, then you use it as you do usually. So let's pretend I have 2 machines set up. So I'm working with one, I want to pick up other one and still use the thing, so I would probably need to stop it, switch it off, and then connect other one. So switch it on, plus and minus together. Okay, Bluetooth symbol appears and it's flashing the light, and come on. And I have to press plus. And it's connected, and it's in this mode, so I press center, the on-off button, and start-stop button, and plus together. So short press on plus and minus, and then it beeps, and then it changes the setting of a pedal, and now we're doing this thing. It's not a seamless process, but I think few times and you will remember all the little shortcuts. Press plus minus together. Remember to press plus so it starts to look for pedal. Tap it, make sure that other one is off. The small one is so awesome. Look at it. Look at the size. I'm excited. Like, this is this is nothing. Still, I would pack it my way. This would be a separate thing and this would be separate. So if I work and I adjust the needle length, I can move this separately. If you want to put it in one sleeve, it needs a bit wider sleeve because you can see that there's this part. That would not slide over the sleeves that I use. Otherwise, form factor is the same like the old one. This is the old one. And if you compare to bigger one, it's pretty much the same thing. This is cool. Like, the size of it is cool. I have to check how long it lasts, but I don't do those crazy big sessions, so this should be more than enough. There's 2 of them, and they fit in that cool docking station, which I found super comfortable to use, because you know that your batteries have their spot, you finished work. Bam! And they can be attached to some metal surface because they fit in there even if they are upside down. Because yeah, with other batteries where you start to connect them, somebody can catch a cable and it does all, like, you know, this stuff doesn't feel so safe. This is like, you know, they have their dedicated place. That's what I love. And I'm super excited about this small one and to use with the pedal. I'm excited. I'm used to working with pen type machines without pedal. This could bring it back for these machines as well. This small one, I think that could also be something that would be interested for people who use their direct drive rotary machines. That's where I see it the most, because it's so small that you could, yeah, the only downside on this one would be that it's always on that kickstart. Strange that there's not a way to switch it off. Actually, the smaller one is called Shorty, which is cool. I was thinking it would be cool to connect them to this type of machines, but I'm not sure how that kickstart can affect these motors. Maybe on direct drive it's not that bad, but with some coil type of things, I don't know. So that's risky, and I couldn't find a way to switch it off, so I guess it's all the time there. For this type of machines where I will use them, it seems pretty awesome. Webpage says that shorter one is around 5 hours of battery life, like the 2 time, and bigger one 10 hours, plus using this pedal more often, so you extend that time, probably, again, considering that there's that kickstart kicking in every time you start to run it. Yeah, so 5 and 10 hours, and we'll see how it works in practice. This is just an unboxing video. Oh yeah, price, $239 in US, $259 in US at the moment. I didn't find them on Barber's yet, but they're rolling out slowly. I'm excited. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any input, boom, leave that in the comment section. Like usual, press likes, and check this video where I shared my thoughts on the previous model battery packs that didn't connect to the pedal. Pretty awesome stuff. Check it out. See you in future episodes. Thanks for watching. Bye.